So this is just the weekly review, and we're looking at the weekly review for the 3rd to the 9th of March. As we can see, we were positive a couple of times, managed to at one point be positive +2, and as you can see, we drew down massively all the way down to -8, and currently we're around about the same, so we only pulled back a little bit. So we'll have a look at it from a half hour of the day. Entry time, where were we least positive? Again, around lunchtime, Eastern Standard Time, just after lunch. So this is interesting. So that 11:30 until 12:30 period, we were quite negative. On the daily, Wednesday was our worst day, followed by Thursday. There's a half hour of the day. So during that 11:30 to 12:30 period, we're negative, and then the final 2 hours of the market were negative again. Interesting. A summary: negative profit factor. And there's our commissions, quite a bit. Churn quite a bit. Somewhat positive. Average loser became an average winner. Largest win, slightly smaller than our largest loss. Need to improve there. Obviously improve my profit factor, so I'm looking to switch this around this week, and started off by trying to do a moving average cross system this week, and it hasn't quite worked. So as the market has chopped around in a range, but trying to reduce the losses that we are suffering here, trying to make the losses more manageable. And we started to use micros. Wow, look at that max drawdown. Started to use micros in order to reduce the risk we've putting on in the market. So there are a couple of things we are doing. We'll see how they work out this week. In terms of like using micros, we've tried to use a moving average cross system. Mixed result. We were positive, ended up over trading a little bit, and ended up negative. So still quite a bit of work to do, especially to hang on to our gains, because we seem to make gains and end up giving them back. Need to reduce the size of these losses as well. The largest losses are far too big. As you can see, as we went further on, I suppose here we had a bit of a pullback in our -3 to, where were we there? So we got back about 50% there, but we continued downwards. And that's with the negative risk reward. So we definitely need to turn that around. So if we compare the weeks 25th to say the 2nd, you can see we had these big pullbacks, and what we wanted to do was smooth that out. But we weren't able to do that. Or is this not changing? Is that right? The fourth to, let's do the third. No, this is February. What are we doing? The 3rd to the 8th of March. There we go. So there is it's changed somewhat, but just not getting the pullback. We had a bit more volatility. We saw NQ going to about 400 point days, and trading minis got out a lot of positions because prices started to pull back, huge swings in the P&L. So ended up closing positions, not giving trades the room they require. So we'll trade micros, see how that goes. It's not gone well so far because today we've actually come back into the market after being down and ended up taking a few scalping trades. So old habits are still here, unfortunately. But we'll see how it goes for the rest of the week. We'll try to stick to trading micros, and also we have to add a few filters for this moving average cross system that we're using at the moment. And that's about it. So that just sums up our weekly review. Another bad week, but we'll see how we go. Thanks for watching.